Welcome back to the Crypto Shark channel. I want to talk to you about a couple of subjects today. One, we're gonna talk about the Finamente fall exit scam. Two, we're gonna talk about the SharksHoldings. And three, we're gonna talk about how can you be a part of the pool of a trading of holdings. Okay, so we have a trade, and finally the trade is become really successful. Okay, mm, so it's really very simple, and let's start with the first object. So if you go to, first of all, I want to say to everybody, I'm really sorry that you lose money in Finamente. I lost myself a lot, and these things happen, and we all knew it. But I really didn't expect Finamente to fall down like that, because to me this site was really looks nice. I saw the owner, I saw the offices, and it's just looked legit. But seems like we cannot trust anybody. And again, Shark Holdings is a trusted site. Like I always told you, I always gonna be with you here, and I always gonna try my best to, to help people make money and recovering from all these scams. So now you believe me. Now you see that I'm here basically for the community. And to be honest, as a site owner, we don't make much money from the site itself as profit. I'm telling you, all I do is rolling the money and only keep small difference between. That's it. I'm working a lot of hours every day to make this site working, and that's what people need to understand. So I'm basically doing that for the community and just to build my good name. That's all it is. Okay, so now let's go down a little to the portfolio. So you can see I updated on the portfolio. I updated that the Finamente exited. Only made $3,388 and lost basically. This is what I deposit. So this minus this, I made a little bit money. Okay. So what can I do? Nothing. We move on. Now let's talk about how do you start to be a part of the pool. How can you do it? It's very simple. The first thing you need to do is register, obviously, to the Shark Holdings site. Once you register, you need to log into your account, and the next step you need to do is basically go to the once you log into your account, you go to the upgrade on the top right. You can see here, you press on the upgrade, and then you're gonna have a couple of memberships here with different benefits. As you can see, you can read it later on. But what you need to do if you want to be a pro trader with us, you need to choose one of the last memberships here. So Shark Trading Pro for 30 days, $29.99. Sharks Trading Pro for 90 days, $75, and Shark Pro Trading for 250 for 1 year. So you're basically saving a lot of money if you do it for 1 year. Okay, so once you enter and pay the membership via this, you just go to Pia via payment processor. Sorry for my bad English. I'm not American, or this is not my first language. So you do confirm. Once you confirm, it's going to take you to the next step, which is you can choose between payer or coin payments. I always recommend do coin payments because payer, they charge a lot of fee to withdraw the BTC. So if you pay with payer, I'm already losing almost 10% of your deposit. So that's already hurting the site a little bit. Um, Now coin payments, you're gonna press on the coin payments, and it's gonna take you to the next window. Second loading, it's gonna take you to this window, which is upgrade membership, $10 or whatever you choose. You need to fill up your name. You need to fill up your. You don't have to put the real name if you don't want to. Just the email have to be real because you're gonna get like a receipt that how much you pay and when the payment has been made. Then you can choose between all these coins that I accept to pay us. Okay, so this is what we have. Once you finish that and you complete that step, the next step, let me just cancel that, the next step is going to be to deposit money to the account to start trading with us. Now how do you do that? It's very simple. um, you're gonna be, first of all, you're gonna be in the group. I'm gonna post the link to the Telegram group, and you're gonna enter to the spreadsheet. You're gonna have a link to the spreadsheet, and you can see all the names and how much people made and everything. So everything is gonna be open to public, so people can see everything. No hiding fees. Now on this section here, if you scroll a little bit to the right, you're gonna see here the tips box. So some people decided they want to tip us, so we created an account here to give tips for the profits they made. Now another thing is there's an address here. You can, the red address, you can just deposit, and you can copy it and deposit here the money you want to enter to the trade. Okay, don't deposit Ethereum for the trade, only BTC. Ethereum is going to be only for tips. If you want to tip us and support our team, we're going to be really grateful, and you can do it here. So you're going to deposit all by this square. Okay, I'm going to make it a little bit bigger for you, so it's going to be more easy. Or you can do it by doing this. Just deposit to this red address. Once you finish, you need to send a screenshot that you send the money. Then you're going to be added to the spreadsheet. Once you add it to the spreadsheet, you're good to go. All you have to do is be on the Zooms and start making your money. Very simple. That's how it works. And you're going to be here and you're going to make profits. The profits is very good. And just being a part of this team is just great. I already made 8 trades. I started with $3,775, and today I have $5,640 on my account. So you can see that this has just been an amazing trades. Once you paid for the membership, you're also gonna have the off and on. So if you have a membership, it's gonna be on. If you have your membership expired or you don't have a membership, it's gonna be off. Okay, the paid members gonna pay only 5% of the administration fee, the not paid members gonna pay 10. This is the big difference, and this is why you want a membership. Okay, so far on our account we have $48,187. So this is what we traded. I hope this information did help to you, and let's talk about the site. So as I say, the site is really legit. As you can see, I'm doing my best. Now you have another option. You can invest and just be part of the Sharks without entering any trades and do passive. How do you do that? Once you log into your account, you're just gonna press on the invest and you press on the plans. On the plans, you're gonna see a couple of plans here. You're gonna see the BTC plan, BTC plan 2, ETH smart contract, Tron stack, and Shark trading passive. Now how do you earn? You just need to buy the plan. You choose it from here, and that's it. So let's say you pay this one. You decide it's price of 1, how many you want. You can buy 15. It's gonna cost you 550. You do pay via payment processor. Once you finish that, you're good to go, and you're gonna start earning passive income here. This is the percentage. They're not really crazy, but they stable. This is something we can actually pay and stay legit. Okay, guys, I hope this information help you, and if you have any questions, just talk to me on Telegram. I'm mostly available almost 24/7. I barely sleep, and I always answer calls and answer WhatsApp. I'm doing my best. So thank you for watching the video. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below on the YouTube channel so we can keep going.